Does gripe water help with constipation? If you're the parent of a fussy baby, chances are, you've received a number of suggestions from other people on how to soothe and comfort your baby. If your baby has colic, friends and family members may suggest walking the baby around, going for a long drive at night, eliminating certain foods from your diet, and giving your baby gripe water. If you haven't heard of gripe water before, it's a liquid that is touted to have calming properties for babies with upset tummies. Many moms and dads swear by gripe water's abilities. But giving your baby a supplement is not something that you should do without careful consideration. Here's a closer look at the pros and cons of gripe water. What is gripe water? Gripe water is a common over-the-counter liquid supplement given to babies around the world who are fussy or colicky. In fact, one study found that the majority of infants in India are given gripe water in the first 6 months of life by parents or caregivers. 1. Depending on the brand, gripe water typically contains sodium bicarbonate as well as mixture of herbs like fennel, dill, ginger, chamomile, lemon, and peppermint. Gripe water is readily available at most grocery stores and is administered in the form of drops from the included dropper. Previously, gripe water consisted of sugar and alcohol, sometimes in startlingly high amounts. Today, it tends to consist primarily of agave, purified water, and ginger flavor. Some people confuse gripe water with over-the-counter gas drops, but they're actually two very different products. Gas drops contain the anti-foaming agent, simethicone, which is designed to break up gas bubbles in the digestive tract and allow babies to pass gas. Meanwhile, gripe water is a mixture of ingredients designed to soothe upset tummies. Uses for gripe water. Gripe water is most often given to babies in the first year of life, as that is when symptoms of colic, excessive crying, or overall fussiness are most prevalent. In most cases, a caregiver or parent decides to give a baby gripe water because they believe it will help alleviate colic. But there have been no studies examining the effect of gripe water on colic. 2. Sometimes parents will hear an anecdotal experience from someone else that gripe water helps with teething pain, fussiness, and gassiness. Some parents have even reported that gripe water can be useful in calming babies so that they start sleeping through the night. If you are considering using gripe water, you should check with your child's pediatrician before administering the medication. Does gripe water work? No study has proven that gripe water works for any of its intended purposes. In fact, all of the studies that have been done have shown that gripe water does not seem to be effective at all. For instance, a study done in India showed that there was no difference in the amount of crying between two groups of babies. The study also found that mothers and caregivers reported more vomiting and constipation in the infants who received the gripe water. 1. Although that study doesn't necessarily prove that gripe water causes more vomiting and constipation, it is an indication that gripe water doesn't seem to help those babies either.